ఎవ్రీవన్, నేను రాధిక. వెల్కమ్ టు బీఫిట్ బై రాధిక. ఈరోజు ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే. సో మా ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయి వాళ్ళ స్కూల్ కాంపిటీషన్ కోసం ఇక్కడ ఒక థీమ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశాడు. అదేంటో నేను మీకు చూపిద్దామని ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు ఆ థీమ్ చూపించడంతో పాటు అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు, అది చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ప్రమోద్ జీ ఉన్నారు. ఈ థీమ్ ఏంటి అనేది తను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది ఈ బాబు కోసం ప్రిపేర్ చేసిన థీమ్ అనమాట, స్కూల్ కాంపిటీషన్ కోసం. సో ఇప్పుడు ప్రమోద్ జీ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ దిస్ థీమ్.
Namaskar. Actually, this was a competition organized by school, and we thought if it is related to freedom fight, then there should be something different. I mean, normally we see all tricolor food items. So what we thought, of course, tricolor should not lose its significance, but there should be stories behind which kids should know about. The food had played pivotal role in the freedom fight struggles against the invaders, against the captures. So we did a bit of research and found out few stories. So I'll start with the first story with Maharana Pratap struggle against the invaders. He fought and he kept fighting. So during the war time, they had to be staying in jungle and all, depriving of food or famine kind of a situation. So then they started living on grass rotis. So they prepared the grass rotis using millet and grass, and then the soldier and everyone was fed, including Maharana Pratap, the king himself. Coming down to the freedom fight struggle, and everyone knows Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He started his struggle at the time of his college education itself. So they used to sit in a restaurant of Narayan Shaw, and that restaurant used to serve every day a food to the freedom fighters gathered at the restaurant, which included puffed rice, green chilies with some masalas and pakoras, and the tea in cooler. So this was served by the restaurant, and around 118 years before, and it still continues. Every every Independence Day, the restaurant follows the legacy and serves the food for free to everyone who is visiting. And comes here the last, our beloved Mahatma Gandhi, who started his freedom struggle in ahimsa way, in his own style of doing the andolans. So he started is one of the phlegma salt andolan, Uppu Satyagraha, and by doing Dandi March. So this was the British law, which was to tax the salt, and they did what is they walked to the seashore and actually produced the salt, and then said everyone that no more tax never to be given to British government for the salt. And this picked up the momentum very heavily. Finally we all got our freedom. So this is all the food which are related to for the freedom stories and struggle stories, which all the kids should know about, and that was the reason we came up with this food style. There is another food which Nimish will explain.
Hello everyone. So this is a breakfast meal that symbolizes and depicts the ideas of the Indian national flag. So here we have our saffron colored fruits and vegetables. Saffron color in the flag depicts strength and unity. So we have pomegranates and carrots that also give us strength. And following that, we have our next color in the tricolor, which is the white, and it symbolizes peace. So as we all know, rice is the staple food around the world. So that's why we have rice over here. It's coconut rice. And then after that, we have the last tricolor, which is green, which symbolizes fertility and growth of the country. And we have peas and some leaves and spinach, pudina leaves and spinach, which symbolizes growth. And so all in all, this entire dish depicts the Indian national flag in a plate.
That's very nice, very nicely done. చాలా బాగా ప్రిపేర్ చేశారండి. ఇది స్పెషల్లీ ఈ బాబు కోసం, స్కూల్ కాంపిటీషన్ కోసం తప్పకుండా ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ వస్తుంది ఈ బాబుకి.